Salut tout le monde, mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à notre édition de Speak à savoir. Et nous sommes ici encore pour apprendre une expression française. We're here to learn another French expression that's going to help you embellish your language and speak well. So, if you're ready, c'est parti! We're going to look at a very simple expression. This is an everyday expression, an expression that you can use like more than 10 times in a day. It's j'arrive. It means I'm coming, or I'll be with you shortly, or yeah, I'm coming. All right, let's look at some examples. This is straightforward. Let's look at some examples. Exemple 1. Ne me laisse pas, j'arrive. Don't leave me, I'm coming, or I'll be with you in a minute. Alright, all that's not part. Okay, exemple 2. Exemple 2. Tu viens ou pas? Attends-moi, j'arrive. Are you coming or not? Wait for me, I'm coming. Alright, so vous avez compris l'idée. Hein? Ça, c'est une expression que vous pouvez utiliser chaque jour, même lorsque vous parlez anglais. Okay, it's an expression you can use even when you're speaking English. The most important thing is to use it and to speak. So, repeat after me. J'arrive. J'arrive. And don't forget to make it sound French, okay? Not j'arrive. Everybody knows you're Anglophone. J'arrive. From the throat, here. J'arrive. All right. Good job. So keep practicing that and very soon you'll get it. It's not difficult. J'arrive. D'accord? J'arrive. Super. Alors, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all we have for you today. Don't forget, c'est en forgeant qu'on devient forgeron. Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Abonnez-vous. Au revoir. Exemple numéro 1. Exemple. I've forgotten l'exemple.